Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. I know it doesn't look like me. I'm wearing a blue shirt and I don't have any eyebrows still, but it's me. I swang by the mail center. My buddy Mike let me know that a package had arrived, and I hadn't checked it in 4 or 5 days. I got stuff at the mail center. I don't think I've ever told you guys this, but there's a lady named Ann that works at the mail center. And I don't know how this started, but when I go to pick up my packages, and they're not busy at the mail center, they are just as excited to see what came in the mail as I am. And today, Ann opened up my packages. She does it in front of me. She asks first, and it's kind of like become our thing at the mail center. And she was really impressed with today's presents, and so were a lot of other people. Customers were coming and going, so thank you guys. Start off with Mike. My buddy Mike from Leander sent a Visa gift card. Gasoline. It doesn't smell like gasoline, but this is a gasoline. Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate that. Mike threw in some goodies, and there was a customer in line, and there's a young man behind the counter, Matthew, and they were really impressed with these gifts, as am I. I got a Peak 2 rehydrated meal, home-style chicken and rice. This is probably my favorite one. I'd have to get them all in a row and compare them, but Peak makes really good products. I don't think I've had anything from Peak that I haven't liked. So that is awesome, Mike. Thank you very much. And then this is what impressed everybody. Mike told me he was sending waffles, and I thought he was joking. So I asked him what kind of syrup he sent for the waffles, but this is a new product, Honey Stinger mini waffles. You can see it's open because we tried them. The young man at the mail center knew exactly what these were, and a customer in line that does hiking knew exactly what these were. This is just kind of like an energy snack to take with you. They taste really good, and I don't know what percentage of these is actual real honey, but they are really good, and they're even flexible. There's so much honey in there you can mold them. And 3 of them has 130 calories. And what else about these? A gram of protein and 18 grams of carbs. And I think it's something you could just bring on the trail with you to have a quick energy snack. Or if you live in your truck, I think it says it right here on the fine print, you could use them then too. But these are awesome. I got to have one, and I shared them with the curious at the mail center. Mike, thank you very much, buddy. Greatly appreciate it. And I also have one more thing that I picked up at the mail center, guys. This is from Todd. Thank you, Todd. Nice letter. And stuff. Dennis, this is suggested for a Friday feast at the Apple Dumpling Deli. Nice. Nice. I'll definitely try that out, Todd. I think I may have eaten there many years ago, but I always see it on Facebook, and people are always, I ate at Apple Dumpling, and it is really good, so we definitely need to try that out. Or if you feel another place would be better to do that. I have heard the Apple Dumpling is very good. Your friend Todd. Todd, thank you very much. Todd sent some green pictures of presidents, so thank you, Todd. I'll use that at the Apple Dumpling. And Todd also sent a Sonic gift card, which is awesome. Todd, thank you very much. That's really, really kind of you. If the name Todd sounds familiar, guys, Todd sends jokes that we use in the videos. So Todd, thank you very much, buddy. Greatly appreciated.